Hello everyone! Magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome back po dito sa ating Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about problem solving or solving word problems involving theoretical probability. I am going to present examples in step-by-step computation. Okay, to solve theoretical probability, we are going to use this formula. The formula is PE or probability of events is equal to NE divided by NS. So ano pong ibig sabihin ng formula? Ito po yon. So PE means again probability of event. NE, that is number of favorable outcomes. And NS, that is number of possible outcomes. So we're going to use this formula in solving word problems that involve theoretical probability. Okay, so let's start for problem number 1. What is the probability of getting a number greater than 5 when a fair die is rolled? Okay, so this problem number 1 is all about rolling a die. Okay, so we need this data para masolve po natin yung problem. First, NE, number of favorable outcomes, and NS, number of possible outcomes. So here, recall that in rolling a die, there are 6 possible outcomes because in a die, there are 6 faces. Okay? So, numbered 1 to 6. Kaya ito po yung possible outcomes. Now, ang hinahanap po ng problem is probability of getting a number greater than 5. So, kapag ito po yung 5, ano po yung number na greater than 5 dito sa possible outcomes? Only 6. So, 6 lang po ang greater than 5. So, mag-isa lang po niya. Kaya yung number of favorable outcomes, NE, that is equal to 1. Okay? And NS, number of possible outcomes. So, ilan po lahat itong possible outcomes? 6 po yan lahat. Kaya ang NS po natin ay 6. Now, using the formula, probability of event is equal to NE divided by NS. So, yung ating pong NE is 1. Ang ating pong NS ay 6. I-divide lang po natin yan. So, magiging that is equal to 1 over 6. Okay, kapag ang sinasagutan po ninyo ay multiple choice, okay, at ang choices po niya ay fraction, ito po yung kanyang fraction. Pero kapag hindi naman po fraction, halimbawa decimal, dapat po i-divide niyo yan, magiging 0.67. Or, yung iba pong question ay you need to write in percentage. So, ipa-percent lang po ninyo yung decimal to percentage. Okay, so 0.67 will become 67%. Okay? So to answer the problem, ito po yung ating simple sentence to answer the question or to answer the problem. The probability of getting a number greater than 5 from rolling a fair die is 1 over 6 or approximately 0.67 or 67%. Okay, so how about this problem number 2? What is the probability of drawing a queen from a standard deck of cards? Okay, so we are going to draw or the probability of drawing a queen from a standard deck of cards. Yun po yung ating hahanapin. Now again, we need the data NE and NS, favorable outcomes and possible outcomes. Okay, so recall that the standard deck of cards contains 4 different colors. Okay, we have spade, heart, diamond, and flower. At lahat po ng content ng card ay dapat 4 na kulay po yan. So, yung hinahanap po natin dyan ay queen. Okay? So, yung queen po ay 4 yan na klase. Okay. May queen po na spade, may queen na heart, may queen na diamond, at may queen po na flower. At lahat po, kahit ano po yung hinahanap dito, hindi lang po queen, pwedeng king, jack, ace, and then 2 to 10, taga-4 po yan lahat. Okay? So, taga-4 po kasi 4 po yung kulay or different colors or different kinds ng standard deck of cards. Okay? Kaya here, sa ating pong NE, okay, 4 po yung ating favorable outcome. So, 4 po yung queen dyan. Okay, again, queen na spade, queen na heart, queen na diamond, at queen na flower. So, 4 po yan. Okay? So, ano po yung number of possible outcomes? Okay, so yung ating pong standard deck of card ay Bali, 13 lahat. Okay, mula ace, yun po yung representative ng 1. So, ace to king. Okay? So, ace to 10, kaya 10. Jack, queen, king, kaya plus 3, 13. Okay, 13 times 4 na klase. Okay, that is all in all 52. Okay, so there are 52 cards in the standard deck of cards. Okay, so now, to solve the probability of drawing a queen, we are going to use the formula again. So, NA divided by NS. So, i-divide lang po natin itong 4 over 52. Okay? But, kapag ang fraction po ay given na, mayroon na po kayong sagot na fraction, be sure po na ito po ay naka-reduce to lowest term. Baka mamaya po multiple choice ang sinasagutan nyo, wala po kayong makitang 4 over 52 doon sa choices. So, dapat po i-lowest term ninyo. So, ang lowest term po niyan ay 1 over 13. So, divisible by 4 both. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 52 divided by 4 is 13. Okay? So, ito po yung kanyang fraction, 1 over 13. In decimal, 0.0769 or in percentage, 7.69%. Okay? So, to answer the question in the problem, ito po yung aking simple sentence. The probability of drawing a queen from standard deck of cards is 1 over 13 or approximately 0.0769 or 7.69%. Okay, for problem number 3. In Scrabble, 4 of the 100 tiles are blank. Find the probability of drawing a blank tile from the entire set of Scrabble tiles. Okay. So here, itong pong problem number 3 ay about tiles. Okay. So all in all, sabi po niya, 100 tiles. Ibig sabihin, yung possible outcomes po natin dyan agad ay 100. Okay? So ito po yung ating data. At yun naman pong favorable outcomes ay 4. Okay, kasi 4 po yung blank tiles. Ang hinahanap po kasi ng problem ay find the probability of drawing a blank tile from the entire set of Scrabble. Since apat po yung blank tiles, ibig sabihin, ang favorable outcomes po natin ay 4. At ang possible outcomes po natin ay 100. Now, to get the probability, then you just divide. Okay? That is 4 divided by 100. So again, kapag fraction, always reduce to lowest term. Okay? Ang common factor po between 4 and 100 is 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 100 divided by 4 is 25. Meaning to say, 1 over 25 is the probability of drawing 4 out of 100 tiles. Okay? In decimal, 0.04 or in percentage, 4%. Okay? So to answer the question, we have the probability of drawing a queen from a standard deck of cards is 1 over 25 or approximately 0.04 or 4%. Okay, so how about this problem number 4? A bag has 4 red marbles, 3 green marbles, and 8 yellow marbles. What is the probability of pulling a green marble? Okay, so this problem is all about pulling marbles. Okay, so here, ang kailangan po nating data ay yung NE and NS. So again, yung NE ay favorable outcomes, NS is possible outcomes. So ito po yung NE, favorable outcomes. Ito po yung hinahanap ng problem na probability. So what is the probability of pulling a green marble? Okay, so here, sa ating pong data, titignan po natin, ano po ba yung marbles natin? 4 red, bilugan ko po, 3 green, and we have 8 yellow. Okay. So here, yung ating pong favorable outcomes sa tatlong color na yan, ayun pong hinahanap ng probability na green marble. So, guhitan ko. So, green marble. So, ilan po ba yung green marble out of the 3 colors? So, ang green po ay 3. Kaya ito pong NE natin, favorable outcomes natin ay 3. Okay? How about NS or yung possible outcomes? So, yung possible outcomes, syempre, lahat po ay may chance yung 4 red, 3 green, and 8 yellow. So lahat po sila ay pwedeng maging outcomes. Okay? Kaya i-add po natin itong 3 colors. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So yung atin pong NS or possible outcomes ay 15. Okay, so to get the probability of pulling a green marble, ay i-divide lang po natin yung ating dalawang data. So NA divide by NS, so 3 divide by 15. And then, always, again, reduce to lowest term. So 3 over 15 can be reduced to 1 over 5. So ano po yung common between 3 and 15? That is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Or in decimal form, we have 0.2 or in percentage 20%. Okay? So to answer the question, ito po yung ating simple sentence. The probability of pulling a green marble is 1 over 5 or approximately 0.2 or 20%. Okay, for problem number 5, what is the probability of getting a red flower from a standard deck of cards? So again, go back to the standard deck of cards. So yung hinahanap po ng problem na probability ay red flower. Okay, bilugan ko po yung red flower. Okay, so again, yung data na kailangan natin ay favorable outcomes at yung ating possible outcomes. So go back to our standard deck of cards. Again, ito po yung different kinds ng standard deck of cards. So we have spade, we have heart, diamond, and flower. At ang hinahanap po ng problem na probability ay red flower. So meron po ba tayong red flower dito? So ang flower po natin ay black only. So ibig sabihin, wala pong red flower. So anong ilalagay po natin sa NA or favorable outcome? So since wala po, ilalagay po natin yan ay 0. Okay? At ilan po yung possible outcomes natin? Again, sa standard deck of cards, always po yan ay 52. Okay? So to get its probability, i-divide lang po ulit natin yan. So 0 divided by 52, that is equal to 0. Or in percentage, 0%. So ibig sabihin, kahit anong gawin mo, wala pong chance na may lalabas na red flower. Kasi wala naman pong red flower dito sa ating standard deck of card. Okay? So to answer the question, the probability of drawing a red flower from a standard deck of card is 0 or approximately 0%. Okay, for problem number 6, what is the probability of getting odd number when a fair die is rolled? Okay, so go back to rolling a die. Okay, so in rolling a die, again, there are 6 phases in rolling a die. So kailangan po natin yung data na NE or favorable outcomes and NS possible outcomes. So dito po sa ating possible outcomes, sa number po ng die na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ano po dito yung mga odd numbers? Okay, kasi ang hinahanap po nating probability ay odd numbers. So yung odd numbers po ay ito po yung 1, 3, 5. Pag sinabi po nating odd number, hindi po pwedeng i-divide by 2. Kaya 1, 3, 5. So ilan po lahat yung odd numbers natin dyan? 3. So ibig sabihin, yung ating pong NA ay 3. At ang ating pong possible outcomes again, since 6 po lahat yung possible outcomes, so ilagay po natin ay 6. So again, divide to find its probability. So 3 divided by 6, lowest term, yan po ay magiging 1/2 or in decimal 0.50 or in percentage 50%. Okay? Answer the question. The probability of getting odd number when a fair die is rolled is 1/2 or approximately 0.50 or 50%. Okay, to end up the discussion, let's have this activity. Solve the given problem. A fair die is rolled. What is the probability that an even number comes out? Okay, so you can solve this one or you can post this video, try to solve the problem. At kung meron po kayong sagot, baka pwede naman pong pa-share sa amin by just typing your answer in the comment section below. Salamat sa panonood mga anak. See you on my next discussion about simple and compound events.